Good morning, guys. I just got back from the supermarket, and as usual, I went to buy some little stuff that we need at home. This is the sandwich toast bread. This is for my son, the rain jacket and trouser for my son. As you can see, it has started raining, so I didn't get the rain boots, but I'll go and look for it in another shop. I have this already finished salad. I have cucumber. This is a very big cucumber. I have a house shoe for my daughter. House shoe. This one she will be using in kindergarten. I got some cheese, apples. I have this frischkäse, this cheese for trash plastic or plastic trash. I don't know how to call it. Onions. This is 1 kilo of onions. Oh, sorry, I just saw it. This is 1.5 kilogram of onions. It's not 1 kilo. I bought also orange juice. You all know that over here we return the bottles. One bottle costs 25 cents. So when you are buying it, you are going to pay for the deposit plus the drink. And after it's finished, you can return it. You get 25 cents per bottle, okay? This is for my breakfast. I really love this juice, orange juice. This is also fleece jacket that I bought in Aldi. Fleece jackets. I bought this in Aldi. It costs 10 euros. It's very good. I like it because it's very warm. And for this weather right now, this is what you need. So I'm going to try it on and see if it fits. I have this meat for breakfast. This is from beef. I also have pajama for my daughter, Peppa Pig pajama. She will be very excited because she loves these stuffs. This is also Peppa Pig shoes. She will love it. I have this rain trouser for my son. Another cream for the breakfast. And these are my favorite bread from Aldi. I love this bread as well. In fact, it's one of my favorite. I love Aldi stuffs. Aldi bread. This one also is very good. It's also very soft. My kids don't play with this bread though. They don't joke with it. Even if they finish eating 30 minutes before going to bed, they will still eat this bread. They don't joke with it. So these are all the stuff I bought. Guys, the amount I use in buying these things is going to 65 euros. That's a lot. Okay, I know that these stuffs make it more expensive. But it's okay because the kids need it. We all need it. So that's it. These are the stuff I bought. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.